turn out at the bird feeder. We have one of my personal favorites, Mr. Cardinal. How you doing, Mr. Cardinal? Hey, buddy. And of course, I'm always excited when a woodpecker shows up. This is a downy woodpecker, a male one, because he's got a red head. I thought it was neat. There was this one little grackle, and he's surrounded by robins. Robins aplenty all around. And they're all trying to get that worm. Go for it, buddy. Now this squirrel has a nut, and he's burying it. Squirrels only find about 40% of the nuts they bury, so therefore they create a little forest. There you go, buddy. Digging. I have a theory that these squirrels are tame and will come if you call them. Let's test it out. Seems to be working. Come a little closer. Oh, now you've decided that I was tricking you.